Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Audi A4 B8 tail light step by step. Start by opening the trunk, removing the access panel, and exposing the tail light fasteners, then label connectors for reassembly. I will walk you through each fastener, show safe ways to pry trim without damage, and explain how to unplug bulbs and sockets. Stay calm, take photos as reference, and I will guide you every step of the way. Now we will focus on removing the fasteners in a safe, methodical way. Start with visible screws, then access bolts behind the panel, and keep each fastener grouped by location. Use a trim tool to release clips while supporting the tail light to prevent it from falling. I will describe common clip types and how to avoid breaking them, so you can remove the assembly cleanly and without rushing. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car tutorials. Quick recommendation: I've been using darn tough socks for shop days. They're comfy, durable, and come with a lifetime warranty, so they survive long wrenching sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the fasteners removed, support the tail light and gently pull it outward to access connectors. Press connector tabs and wiggle slightly while pulling to free them without stressing wires. Once disconnected, lift the assembly straight out and set it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. I will explain how to inspect sockets and bulbs next, and how to prepare the new unit for reinstallation to ensure an easy, secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.